So right now I'm just walking to get my parcel. So today I woke up around like noon, went on my phone and I fell asleep again, and I woke up at 2, had breakfast, and now I'm going out to collect my parcels because it's cheaper to go collect them than to have them get delivered to my apartment. Oh look, there's a Dragon's Cafe. I'm just walking there now with my uncle to collect it. It's really hot today. You know it's hot when the toilet water that you flushed is steaming. Like I took a poo earlier and I flushed and I could feel the heat coming off the water. That's how you know it's really hot. I didn't do much today. I was gonna stay up late yesterday to edit my video, but I ended up falling asleep really early. I'm gonna go back after collecting my parcel and then start editing the video. I think the craziest thing about Hong Kong, because buildings are getting developed and stuff like that, on the one side you have like really old kind of buildings, and then you can literally just turn around and you see brand new apartment buildings. Like you see all these workshops here and like mechanics and stuff. And then on this side you have like older kind of village buildings. And then right next to it is like the newly developed area with all like the shopping centers and stuff. So over there is where I'm at. And then you just come down the road and you just see some older buildings here. Although this one's gated, so it's probably a rich community here. Still literally down the road. Look at the state of these places, right? Look at the walls on them. I mean, it's not a bad thing. I like this contrast. I think that's what makes it special and that's what makes it cool. I'm holding my phone and I'm recording, and my phone is so hot it feels like it's about to explode. So I'm gonna put it away for a little bit. Got it. Walking back now from picking it up. I'm actually back from my holiday. I'm back in London and I'm only editing this video now, and I have no more footage for the rest of that day, so I think maybe I just went home and just did nothing. So for the rest of this vlog, if the footage just randomly stops, that means I did nothing for that day. So when I say nothing, I just mean like, you know, nothing that important that's worth vlogging. So like just me eating dinner, maybe chilling at home, watching Twitch or something, and then going to sleep, and then it's the next day. And yeah, on to the next day, I guess. Oh my god. It's the 20th, it is 5 something. It's literally just staying indoors because it's so hot outside. It's so hot, I'm just staying indoors today. I'm gonna go down to try some McDonald's though. That burger was not that bad. The chicken was nice. The chicken was very juicy, very tender. It was so soft as well. The meat was so soft. Last time I had the barbecue flavor. This one was salt and pepper. I think I like the barbecue one more. Had a little bit more flavor, obviously. It's barbecue compared to salt and pepper. The burger, it had a lot of sauce, right? That mayo was sweet. I thought that mayo was gonna be like normal mayo, but it was like a sweet mayo. It wasn't too bad, to be honest. The fried shrimp patty, the fried prawn patty was nicer than I thought. It was literally tasted like fried shrimp. The burger overall was not too bad. It filled me up quite a bit, so I'm gonna go play some basketball to work it off. This was me later that night after coming back from playing basketball and after eating dinner. I had a bit of enthusiasm, had a bit of motivation to edit the video. So this was when I wanted to try use DaVinci Resolve because Premiere Rush was crap. I recorded in 4K HDR, but the export option was only available in 1080p because 4K you need to pay for it. And in my previous vlog, there were a few artifacts throughout the video. I don't know why, probably a Premiere Rush thing, but it was mostly the export options that I did not have, because when I uploaded a video on YouTube YouTube, it looks so bad compared to the footage that I had on my phone. With DaVinci Resolve, I can export in 4K, I can change the bitrate, I can change blah blah blah, all of this stuff. I can color grade it. It's a lot harder to use, and I'm trying to edit this vlog here right now, this vlog with DaVinci Resolve, and it is harder to use, but I'm trying to get used to it. So yeah, that was what I was trying to say. I did not edit that night because I am back at home and I'm only editing now. So today is now the 21st and my ID is ready for collection. So this is me going to Fortan to pick it up. It was just like a little self-collection machine. I had to put in this little piece of paper that they gave me to hold on to when I first registered for it like a week ago, and then they took a picture of my face, and then I had to scan my fingerprint, and then it just like, I think it printed the card fresh because the card came out kind of warm. So here it is underneath my provisional driver's license. Anyways, at that point I haven't had breakfast yet, so I think I was trying to find a place to have breakfast. So I also had to go to Samsui at Liu Gai or something because I needed to buy a new SIM card from mainland China since I was going soon. So me and my uncle decided to go there and just find a place to eat while we're there. Look how criminal this one is. Oh my god. So I just came back from the bank. I opened my bank card. You can only use that ATM, so it's only for depositing and withdrawing money. But on the app, I applied for a debit card. So that's coming in like a week, and that one I can actually use to spend online. So while we were walking through the market stores and stuff, I bought a bunch of money. So these are like vintage, out of circulation kind of, and they all look really cool. So this one's from 2002. This one's 1996. You have a Singapore dollar here. I think this one's the best looking one. Not worth that much, but it looks really nice. This one looks really cool too. And we got this one, and then this is pretty crazy. This is like a super old Japanese 10 yen right here. And this one I bought for the most money is a 5 Canadian dollar, 1979. This one looks pretty cool too. I like the colors on this one. And this one is also really cool. 5 yen. This is a certificate. The yen expressed in this certificate is equivalent in value to the Huaqiangbei yen. This certificate can only be used within China at designated places. No request to register its loss will be accepted by the banks. So I'm guessing this is like a substitute 5 yen. Pretty cool. Today is the 23rd. It's very hot today, but we are going over back to Shenzhen. We are going to a place called Huaqiangbei, which is like the biggest electronic market in China. So we're gonna go visit that and check it out. So after going through immigration, we wanted to find a place to eat. Last time we came here, we also went to this wonton place. It was really nice, it's really cheap, and it's really filling. And they make all the wontons fresh. So we decided to come here again. I tried something different this time. And after eating, we were on our way. So we went upstairs, right? We were looking at some stores and I was trying to get my phone fixed. I have a Mi 11 and the battery's like running out. So I went in there, asked about the prices, and it was quite cheap. It came out to like under £20 to replace the battery, and my screen was cracked at the same time. So I was like, okay. I asked them how much was it to get a screen replacement, and together it was only like over, I think it was around like £50 maybe. In the UK, if I was to get my screen fixed, it would have been a lot more. So I said, okay, go ahead. And then I walked a bit further down. They had like a bunch of fake AirPods and like Apple Watches and stuff. So I also bought myself an Apple Watch and also another pair of AirPods Pro 2s. This place is really big. We gave the phone over to the guy to fix and to repair. So while we're waiting for him to like finish the repair and stuff, we're just gonna take a look around. There's a lot of these shops on both the left and right side. They basically sell almost the same thing. It's all like these knockoffs. Oh, it started raining. They're all selling like these, you know, components and like these knockoffs and stuff like that. But it's raining right now, so we're gonna find shelter inside. Here's another one. We literally went across the street. We were like over there, and there's one here, and you know, there's like all these stores down here as well. There's one on this side, there's one on that side. They're everywhere. Look at this guy. Normally people just ride them around because this is quite a big place. Like there's a lot of walking to do here. That's actually pretty creative. And then there's this guy as well. He's doing the same thing. Nice. I don't know if you can see, but it's raining a little bit right now. We're just gonna wait it out. Maybe go inside some of these stores as well. But yeah, so while it's raining outside, we're gonna walk into this mall here. It's getting quite heavy. I don't know when it will stop. So there's all these stores going around, and they're all doing smartphones and stuff like that. 14 Pro Max. Look at the color on them. So we were just in there. We came out the back. They were like selling a lot of these like iPhones and fake iPhones and stuff. But right now, I'm not sure where we're going. We don't actually have a plan. Just walk around, to be honest. There's a lot of scooters in China. It's actually a really big contrast to Hong Kong because as soon as you cross the border, you see a bunch of scooters. In Hong Kong though, there's a lot of bikes, and outside in mainland China, there's a lot of scooters. There I just did a 360. We went in there and we came out the back, and now we're walking back around again. Maybe I'll go somewhere on this side instead. Actually, by the time we came out, stopped raining again. We're gonna take a look at this side instead. It's less electronics. I can see Gucci, I can see Starbucks. So I think this is more like shopping, but we'll take a look and see what's inside. Already I'm seeing jewelry. Only the Holobank Bar is really long. It spans 3 train stations all the way from like this side all the way over there. So we got off at one of them and we're just walking down this road. I'm not sure. I think that is all bamboo. All of that is bamboo, probably. Can already see Burberry, Gucci's in there, Armani, Dior, Chanel. I think this is the makeup section though. I don't need makeup. Yeah, down here's all makeup, so we're gonna go upstairs and see if there's anything up there. Okay, so upstairs, here we go. Here's the clothing and stuff. This reminds me a lot of Selfridges. Selfridges has a similar layout with like the perfumes and stuff on the bottom. So we're gonna take a look. Pretty much all girls though. So downstairs, there were only a handful of like outside brands that I've heard of. But we're up on the 3rd floor now. This is all girls. L4. Designer footwear. Let's take a look. I think I was lied to. They said designer footwear. This is still all lady stuff. There are designer footwears and bags, but they're all girls as well. Where's all the men's stuff at? You got heels and everything. Look at this. This sounds pretty cute, but they're all girls. There's no guys. That pair of shoes that I was looking at, the one next to it, was like £140, and I have not even heard of the brand before. I'm pretty sure that it's just some Chinese brand, but I don't know why they're pricing it so high. Can literally find it on Taobao for like £20. So that place was literally just for girls. We're gonna go back into this shopping center now. I think the guy repairing my phone should almost be done, but there are quite a few floors. We only took a look at the 1st floor so far. There's like 3 more, so we're gonna go there. So while we wait a little bit longer, I'm just gonna go up onto the other floors and see what's up over there. This is 3F. Oh, so up here you got electronics, you got GPUs, you got camera lenses. Okay, it's pretty cool. Crap, look how big that lens is. goes quite far down as well. Second floor looks to be cameras. Yeah, so this floor is cameras and stuff. The floor above looks to be closed. I'm not sure. We're gonna take a look anyways. Some projectors and stuff. Honestly, there's not much more that I need to buy, so I'm just taking a look around. I already bought all my essentials already. It's nice to see that there's a lot of Westerners and there's a lot of tourists here as well. I just walked past a few. Okay, so when we went up the escalators before, there was a few PC component stores down there, but as we kept walking, it was more photography. Now that we went one floor up, this is actual PC stuff. So you've got graphics cards, you've got monitors. He's playing Minecraft in there. Yeah, this is actual PC stuff now. So you got GPUs, you got cases, you got Wi-Fi hubs and stuff, you got keyboards and mouse. Also, the further up you go, the more empty stores there are, literally. So the only stores that are open are the ones in this kind of area here. Something did catch my attention though. I see a lot of lights up there and I'm interested. I'm gonna go upstairs and take a look. They look like TVs to me. So let's see what's up on this floor. Compared to the one below, this one is still open quite far back. This one is more LEDs apparently. There's a lot of LED lights around here. Oh, look at this. First impressions from what I can see, they're literally more LEDs. This is insane. Some more lights. Some more lights here. LEDs over here. So this is what I saw when I was down there. Screens, not TVs, but massive LED panels. These are the kind of LEDs you see outside that like has advertisement on it and stuff like that. It's going crazy. Did you hear that guy? Went crazy. I'd go blind if I worked here. I think this is the last floor. 6F, last floor. Let's take a look. And actually we are quite far up now. This place is actually quite big. But yeah, the further up you go, the less stuff. All closed. This whole place is closed. Nothing's open here. I don't know what this is. So my guess is the further up you go, the less stores that are open to like people that come here for shopping, and instead it turns more into like the business kind of side, so selling stuff online and packaging stuff. For example, those LED stores, there's no way people would go there just to buy some LEDs, but there are quite a lot of people that buy LEDs online. I'm guessing they're open there for the public, but they also sell stuff online. We're gonna make our way back down though, because we pretty much saw everything. There's not much else to see now. We're back on floor 5, LED heaven. I think it's been like an hour and a half now, so my phone should be done. We're gonna go back down to floor 1 to see if it's done or not and pick it up. The store just closed. I just walked past it. Look, there are a lot of like fake watches and AirPods. Some more over here as well. So before I came here last night in Hong Kong, I watched some videos on YouTube that kind of like guide videos on like where to go when you're here and stuff. Now that I'm here and I'm walking around, in my opinion, a lot of these places look the same. So really, I'm just here to walk around wherever. I don't really have a plan or anything. If there's a place that looks cool, I'll just go there, walk around, take a look. Look at all these fake AirPods they got here. They got the 3s. Got these.
第幾千蚊呢個頻道係同呢個一樣嘅。咩聲老闆？你睇下呢邊呢個有嗰個堆奶嚟嘅。有呢個白色嘅，呢個應該得㗎嘛？係啊。
So now we're on our way back. I forgot the name of the stuff in English. It's just like the crispy pork kind of stuff. We bought a Tupperware of it to try at dinner later. So yeah, I got my phone fixed. I bought 2 fake Apple Watches. The first one I gave to a friend and the second one I'm keeping. Those mini Lego figure ones, I bought 5, but they actually gave one of them free. So that was pretty nice of them. But yeah, that was the day. Went home, had dinner, watched Twitch maybe, fell asleep. Anyways, I'm gonna end the vlog here. It's been 20 minutes. I want to be editing the next one right after this. So if you want to see more, please subscribe and stay tuned. And that is it. Bye bye.